And so now let's talk about the health orders. For a year, Ohioans have made sacrifices to save lives and keep our state moving forward. What you have done has truly worked. Now we have a powerful weapon that is almost 100% effective in beating this virus. The vaccine is here. It's stronger and better than medical experts ever imagined. And now everyone 12 and over can use it to protect themselves, to put an invisible shield of protection around them. Everyone can now control their own health. Everyone can now control their own destiny. So, it is time. It's time to end the health orders. It's been a year. You've followed the protocols. You've done what we've asked you to do. You've bravely fought this virus. Now our cases are down, and we have a tested and proven weapon in this vaccine that all Ohioans 12 and over can now utilize. Now, while we have this great weapon, the danger of remaining unvaccinated is crystal clear. The virus is still here. Now, our cases are down, but that's only because 42% of our entire population has now been vaccinated, and those individuals who are vaccinated can no longer get the virus and can no longer spread it. The vaccinated among us feel liberated. Fran and I have talked to so many of them right after they've been vaccinated at over 40 locations all over Ohio. They've told us that they can hug their grandkids, they can go out to eat, they can go to a ball game, they can live their life, and they can do it all without fear. But now, for those who are not vaccinated, the virus is just as dangerous as ever. In fact, because the new variant is more contagious, the virus is really more dangerous than ever for those who are not vaccinated. Vaccination is clearly safer, regardless of age, than running the risk of getting COVID. In fact, thanks to a very recent study from the Cleveland Clinic, we now have evidence from right here in Ohio of just how powerful these vaccines really are. Between January 1st and April 13th of this year, of all the people hospitalized at the Cleveland Clinic for COVID-19, 99.75% of them had not been vaccinated. Let me repeat that. Nearly 100% of those hospitalized for COVID occurred among those not vaccinated. This is powerful. This is real-world evidence from our Buckeye State that vaccinations do, in fact, save lives. Each person now has access to a mighty weapon that they can use to get 100% protection, and it's now up to each Ohio citizen whether to use it or not. There comes a time when individual responsibility simply must take over. Ohio Department of Health Director Stephanie McLeod will remove all pandemic health orders except those for nursing homes and assisted living facilities, effective 3 weeks from today on June 2nd. This time will give anyone who has not been vaccinated time to get the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine or the first dose of Pfizer or Moderna and be well on the way to full immunity for themselves.